In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a service in Microsoft Bookings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each setting controls, and how to fine-tune your service so it reflects the way you actually work. Start by heading to the Services area. On the left-hand sidebar, click Services. This is the hub where all of your offerings live, each one represented as a card. It's a quick way to see what you provide and to jump into any service you want to refine. Take a moment to scan the list so you're sure you're working on the right one. Next, hover your mouse over the service you want to change. As you move your cursor across the card, you'll notice action icons appear on the right side. Look for the pencil icon. This is your edit control. Click the pencil to open the services settings panel. This is where all the key details and availability rules are managed. Let's start with the basics. In the basic details section, you can change the service name and description. Keep the name short, clear, and consistent with how customers search for it. The description should quickly set expectations, what's included, who it's for, and any special notes a customer should know before booking. You'll also see an option to toggle a Teams meeting link. Turn this on if you want bookings to automatically generate an online meeting link for each appointment. This is especially helpful if you run virtual consultations or hybrid sessions and want the link to be sent without any extra steps. Now move to availability options. Here you can adjust the duration to match how long the appointment actually takes. If you frequently rush or run over, consider extending the duration so you have a realistic window. You can also add buffer time. Try something like 10 minutes to give yourself breathing room between bookings. Buffer time helps you finish notes, reset, or prepare for the next customer so you don't end up in a draining chain of back-to-back meetings. Think of it as the guardrail that keeps your day manageable and your customer experience consistent. Once you've made the adjustments that fit your workflow, take a moment to double-check the name, description, and any online meeting settings and confirm that your duration and buffer reflect how you prefer to schedule. These simple edits ensure your service is presented clearly and that your calendar supports a smooth, sustainable pace. That's all there is to it. Editing a service in Microsoft Bookings is straightforward, and these small tweaks can make a big difference in your day.